Hi, welcome back. So today we are doing another Nigerian eating video. So that is my oat fufu, and this here is my egusi soup. So in this egusi soup I have cow feet or cow leg, I have my stockfish head, and afano and turkey gizzard. So let's get started because I am so hungry. It is about to 7 in the evening. I came back very late, finished cooking. I came back from work and I finished cooking, so I am absolutely starving. And this is my cold Coke. Today I don't drink fizzy drink all the time, but for some reason today I have been dying to get a glass of Coke, so here it is. So come and eat. In my language we say bia lieni, bia kilieni, kwa kage bia lieni. Wash your hand and come and eat. This is delicious, if I say so myself. I love my cow leg. I love it to be soft and tender, so I cooked it for long because it normally do take time to cook. It's very soft and tender. Excuse me. It's just the bottle of Coke. It's too gassy. If you know me by now, you know that I don't finish my food. So I still have a bit of my oat fufu, and I still have a bit of meat in here, but I really enjoyed it. Like, you know, that kind of day that you're at work and all you're thinking is, oh my God, I can't wait to get home and cook that soup. Excuse me. That was all I was thinking all day. I can't wait to get back home and cook this soup. And I really came in, went for it, just cook it, and you know, yeah, here we are finishing the food. So yeah, really enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. If you can hear any noise, my kids, they're in their room making noise. They have eaten their own food and they have the energy to scream the whole house down. But anywho, it was delicious. I mean, the stockfish head, oh my Lord, it was a lot, but it was delicious. I really enjoyed it. And egusi soup is one of my favorite soup right from when I was small. If my mom make egusi soup, I will literally thank her. You know, I'll be so grateful and I'll be so happy that she made it. So yep. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Nigerian eating videos. Subscribe down below and press that bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload another video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye. Mwah.